chips improve our health because they regulate harmful stress, often caused by work. And loneliness is as deadly as smoking.
I don't know.
You don't think so?
No. It could be worse for sure. But it's, I'm not sure I want to be me.
Strategy says unhappiness is an entirely rational response to the madness of the modern world. And the answer is to redefine success. Ask yourself which habits make you happy. For me, it's having fun with my daughter.
When we asked these same people, when they got to be in their 80s, to look back on their lives and to tell us what they were proudest of, almost everybody said something about their relationships. They didn't say, I made a lot of money. They said, I was a good friend. I raised healthy kids. I was a good partner.
Anyway, I'm excited to talk to GPT-4. Subscribe for that. And the best place to learn more about AI is our sponsor, Brilliant. Look how AI describes itself. Please write a short poem. Please